Alright, y'all, so I got the Alpha Rex tail lights for my 2020 Tacoma. Here's a quick update on the build. I have a Tacoma Apocalypse bed rack. It's a mid-height. Got the CVT tent. It's the Mount Shasta. Got the King's Icon compression wheels. They're 17-inch with the 33-inch Falcon Wild Peaks. Right. So the reason why I got the tail lights because I had a little oopsie here, and over here we have a small crack here and a small crack there. I placed my order as soon as the incident with the tail light happened. So here we go. Ooh, that looks fucking dope. This looks really nice. The passenger side. And let's put this comparison. All right, so let me put this on real fast, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. There it is with the Tacoma Beast red smoke tail light. And for comparison, the stock, there's the tail light on, and the new Alpha Rex tail light on. Wow, the camera doesn't do it justice. It looks really good. So to install these, you have to just twist these off, and then you have to remove the bulbs. You have to remove the bulbs, and you should be able to just plug them in. If I can do this on camera. Remove one, remove two, and this bottom one, this one stays on. Okay, the little one. And as you can see, it comes with this little like stickers. I left it on the other one. I'm gonna leave it on this one as well. You know, it's not sealed all the way, so maybe I'm gonna figure out a more permanent solution for that. This one needs to come off in order to plug it in, and you basically just plug these in order. Polarity doesn't matter. Make sure it snaps in. Next one. Snapped in. And the last one, you just put it in here and you rotate. Right? Make sure you get the cables. Tuck them in down there. And then you're ready to just guide the light in, the tail light. Make sure you snap it on, and you can see the fitment is really good, right? No gaps. So now I'm just gonna put the 10mm bolts on. You don't really gotta use an impact. I just got out of work. It's almost 1 a.m. and I'm just doing this. Alright, y'all, so I got the Alpha Rex tail lights for my 2020 Tacoma. Here's a quick update on the build. I have a Tacoma Apocalypse bed rack. It's a mid-height. Got the CVT tent. It's the Mount Shasta. Got the King's Icon compression wheels. They're 17-inch with the 33-inch Falcon Wild Peaks. Right. So the reason why I got the tail lights because I had a little oopsie here. And over here, we have a small crack here and a small crack there.